name is David Palmer-Jones. I'm the CEO of SITA UK. SITA UK is one of the leading waste management and resource management companies in the UK. Our purpose is powerful and simple. It is to protect the environment by putting waste to good use. We have a wide range of services, for instance from hazardous waste to healthcare waste, from food waste to metal recycling, and even security shredding, and all this to help our customers meet their sustainability goals.
The purpose of the contract with Northumberland is to assist them in diverting material away from landfill. When we started in 2006, they were diverting 28%, and last year we diverted 94%. The contract target is 92%.
Customers choose SITA UK for three good reasons. First of all, they have a real confidence in our ability to deliver a breadth of services. Secondly, we're a long-term player. That means we're around for a considerable amount of time. And thirdly, we have a real customer-centric attitude.
For SITA and the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea, this is an innovative contract. It's what we call an open book account. It means that both parties to the contract, SITA and the Royal Borough, regularly sit down, they assess how the contract is performing, and it means that we can get a really high standard of output for our residents.
At the beginning of a contract, our dedicated mobilisation team take full responsibility for rolling out the new services at our client sites. We recognise that as we change behaviour on site towards improving waste management activity, it requires support from us, and we do that by delivering waste awareness days, supported by signage and documentation. Our customers benefit from dealing with one service provider for all of their waste management needs. And that doesn't just include general waste and recycling activities, but we also provide more specialist capability in terms of hazardous waste and security shredding services.
At SITA UK we have a concept called the circular economy. That quite simply is where the industrial element meets the waste management side of our business. So industry produces products. At some stage they lose their life and they come into the waste stream. We then look after those by collecting them and then reusing, recycling or recovering energy from those. In the past we treated waste just as a nuisance and we took it to landfill. Now we recognise it as a resource and we use a range of new technologies to extract value and future resources from that.
We produce wood products from the timber recycling. These are things like biofuels that go into district heating schemes.
And even security shredding, where our customers entrust us to destroy their confidential material.
We produce compost products that are used in horticulture and agriculture, and also in land restoration.
Energy from waste, where we're taking the residual waste when we can't recover any more resources from that and burning it to create energy.
And we recover the landfill gas, which produces electricity, and we export direct into the national grid.
We currently have in the order of 90 megawatts of landfill gas generation capacity. We also have a number of energy from waste projects generating in the order of 45 megawatts electricity, and we have a further 50 megawatts being developed.
At Tees Valley we take waste, predominantly domestic waste, that I guess in former times would have been put into landfill. We incinerate that waste to recover the energy from it, and we use that energy to produce steam and then electricity, which we then feed into the local grid and service the local population.
It's very important for us to have a voice in this transformation that's happening at the moment, and we do that in a whole wide range of different ways, either by attending party conferences or sponsoring thought leadership in the form of reports. Our vision is that we want to live in a society where there is no more waste, and that really drives our organisation to search innovative, flexible solutions with our partners. Being part of a worldwide group, we have a number of advantages that we can bring our customers. We can pull from resources and information around the world. And we're always searching for new ways to make waste a resource. Just recently we found an excellent example in the form of taking low-grade waste plastic and turning it into diesel.
SITA UK is looking to invest in future energy from waste facilities. With the focus on moving material away from landfill disposal, then there's a requirement for infrastructure to be built, and energy waste is a key aspect of that infrastructure. We will be trebling our capacity within the next 5 years.
I think the other point associated with being part of a big group is obviously stability.
We're in the midst of a huge transformation in the waste industry at the moment, and it's our people and that culture which will make all the difference to the services we supply to our customers.